Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I helped somebody make an ornament out of this just yesterday. I didn't keep I have a copy of it. But I said in that video that the town name would look so much better. And you actually kind of need to retype this text anyway. And I don't understand why there'd be a banner or a ribbon there. But I've kind of done it. And it's really pretty easy. So we're going to take this one. I'm going to Control G to group it. Then I'm going to nudge. Whoop, I didn't get it all. I'm going to take this and put it out of the way. Somebody asked, and not even the person I was helping, how would you get the name inside that black banner? Well, left click, right click, and there you have a clear area. Couple of ways you could do it. Probably the easiest is to take the 3-point curve line and go from like right there to right here, and then just curve it up. We're pretty close. And then nudge that over. I've already typed out the town name. I'm going to go fit text to path and put it on the path. Fit pretty good. I'm going to nudge it right back. Sometimes you have to click off of it and click back on it. Now, we're a little bit high or a little bit low. And I could adjust this path, with the shape tool and make it, but it's going to be good enough because that is a particularly good curve. But when I click on it, I can go right here and raise it. And it just so happens to be about the right amount. Now I can go here and go to Object, break the text apart, grab that red line, and there we have it. Now I made it a thick font, a bold font for a reason so it would stand out. But now I'm going to grab the font and I'm going to left click, right click. And then it is a little bit painstaking that I'm going to break this apart. So I can get rid of the original name. I'm going to have to go and break curve apart. I'm going to have to smart fill everything in. This is called reverse engraving. You could do it another way, but this is all going to be black. So I'm just going to take my smart fill tool, set on black, and I'm just going to fill that in. Now at that time, you can see how he went up into the beaver. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the other parts. And in just a second, we're going to take away the outline, and it's going to make our font a little bit bolder, better looking. Let me just get all these. And you're going to have to do quite possibly you could do the numbers. But since these are connected to the end, I would just go ahead and do all the numbers or letters. And then if we watch right down here, even though it's just a hairline, I'm going to left click, no outline. And it made it just a little bit bigger. Because when you're doing reverse engraving, it's going to engrave the black and the white's not going to be shown or not going to be touched. So we'll bring in our yellow box trick, and then that way you kind of prove that word is in there. I think it looks a lot better. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.